Delete is there. The front of the race then is EF, but Bahrain victorious get ready with Phil Bauhaus just behind Ackerman, Marine Vandenberg, Brian Cockard. Oh, a little bit of a squeeze. 800 metres of racing to go.
The top sprinters are still further back. There they are, about 15th position. Arnold in the middle. And on the left, Stan Philipson coming on the left here. Mark Cavendish on the wheel.
Now we start to see the moves as riders try to go and they squeeze through. And it's a really messy sprint. The team of Arkea B&B Hotels bring Arnaud Demar through to try and win his first stage since 2018. Cavendish is a little bit swamped in the middle. Demar gets ready. Wow, Van Aert is there. Van Aert on the left-hand side goes in the barriers, and it's Arnaud Demar. How did Wout Van Aert not crash there? Arnaud Demar all the way. Arnaud Demar getting challenged by Girmay. Wout Van Aert, who's going to take it? Girmay wins his hat-trick of stages in the Tour.
Yeah.